We'll guide you through how to fix a sound problem on a Samsung phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be super annoying, and it may be that call sound isn't working on notification sound or media sound, but we're covering fixes for all of them in this video. Make sure you watch this full video so you can know all of them. First of all, drag down from the top of your phone like so. What you want to do is go and turn off Bluetooth, because if it's on, it may be going and connecting to a Bluetooth device and trying to play the audio through that, so turn that off. The next thing you want to do is go and open up your settings like so. In here, you want to click on sounds and vibration, and you want to make sure that it's not set to mute, and you want to set it to loud. If you're unable to go and set it to loud and it's grayed out, you want to go to the mute all sounds setting and go and disable that. So if we go and click on it, it should take us right there. And what we can then do is go and switch it off. If you can't get there, come to hearing enhancements in accessibility, and you can then go and turn it off there. Then you can go and set it to loud like so. And what you also want to do is go and turn up the volume on your device, make sure it's set all the way to the max, click on the three dots at the top here as well, and you'll get access to more sound settings which you can then go and adjust, so adjust these to your liking. Go and see if that solves the problem. If it still hasn't, then what we can do is go and restart it in case it's a system glitch. So go and hold down the side power button, then click on restart and click on restart again. Now go and wait. Once it turns back on, your problem should hopefully be solved.